Hi guys, welcome back to Solution Lab. On this channel, we provide you with every possible solution to a specific problem. Whether it's a quick fix or a detailed tutorial, we're here to help. So without any further delay, let's jump right into the video. So in today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can easily backup and restore your things or files or downloads on MX Player. First of all, open up the MX Player mobile application and update it first if you have an update. After that, this interface will appear. At the bottom right, you should find me. Click on it and this interface will appear. In the midway down, you should find the settings option. Go in the settings option and this same interface will appear. Go in the general, scroll down and you should find export. Click on export and just select both of them. After that, you can just click on OK and all of the backup will be restored and will be saved to your device. And that was it for today. To recap, today we covered how you can easily save the backup and restore the backup on MX Player. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to Solution Lab for more helpful tutorials. If you have any queries or suggestions, just leave them in the comments below. Till then, take care. See you next time.